Hello, right, it's another Maker Advent. And what's in the parcel today? Well, let's open it up. There's nothing else in there? No. It's some chips in a bag. Not an anti-static bag, unfortunately. That's a shame. But, hey ho. Let's tip a few out. They're not exactly the best packaging I've ever seen in my life, but it will do. So what do we have here? Some 555s. Some 555 chips. Quite a few of them, in fact. So 555s are really cool. Simply because they're the most basic chip you can have for doing basic timing. So say you want some flashing lights. You can use a 555. Just alter the capacitor and the resistor to change the flashing duration. In fact, I used these to test something quite a few months ago. My Commodore 64 joystick. Not built it yet. I built the joystick, but not built this section of it. Wanted to add a 555 to the kit, so that when you press the fire button, it's auto fire, and use a potentiometer to change the auto fire rate. Just in case you're thinking, what's a potentiometer? One of these, analog electronics. Just spin this pot round and it changes the resistance. This is a 10k potentiometer. So I wanted to use these for auto fire. So I've got a test kit that I've built and it works, just not actually put it in the joystick yet. So I bought a load more 555s because they're great fun. And how much were these? 58p for 20. That's nothing, it's like 2p each. It's great. You can stick them anywhere. Build circuits, build robots with them if you want. Very simple robots, but you could do it. Anyway, that's it for today. Cheers.